Welcome back to the channel. Tonight I have done something silly. I have 9 days until the first show of the season that my car has been accepted into Aberdeen Auto Fest. I've had all winter to do stuff to the car, and I've decided that 9 days before that I would touch up a couple of little things, nothing crazy, and yeah, I've ended up stripping the whole car, windows out, everything. So yeah, I'll show you around it quickly and show you what I need to do. The initial bits that I wanted to just kind of sort out, where there was a wee bit of rust around the window. It's actually not that bad, to be fair. I think it'll all just grind out and get that repainted, so it's not too bad. The bonnets, as you can see, got some dodgy paint on that I was going to sort out, and that was really going to be it. There was a couple of bits around the windows. Again, I was just going to kind of touch in that top edge and not go into the actual bodywork. But yeah, here we are. I have basically fully stripped the car. It is ready. I've got the front doors to strip, door handles and seals and stuff out of that, but apart from that, it is almost ready to just prep and paint. And with it, my logic is that it's such a small car that it shouldn't take long. Yeah, so, but I have uncovered some bits that I didn't know. Behind the number plate is got some rust issues as well that I'm going to have to sort. Down the bottom of the rear panel, again, nothing crazy, but it is all time consuming, and I have, like I say, 9 days. This window here is pretty bad, so I'm going to have to grind all that away, see if there's anything that I'm going to need to patch up. Yeah, so this is the new plan, and to add to it all, just because I'm that guy, I accidentally broke the windscreen, taking it out. I don't know if you're actually getting that on camera. Yeah, managed to break it. I do have another one that's in my caddy, so I'm hoping I can get that out without breaking it and yeah, get on. So right, so yeah, that's kind of where we're starting with. I say I've got 9 days, but I've actually got Friday and Sunday are the only real full days, so I'm really going to have to get cracking in 2 days. And then I can maybe do the build-up during the week in the evenings, but it still needs to be watertight, so yeah, I'm just going to have to go with it. So yeah, stay with me, and there'll definitely be some updates this week. So here we go.